Hey YouTube, Cultured Caitlin here. And so today I will be showing you how I make chicken tenders. And I can make chicken tenders several different ways, but today I'll show you how to make them in an air fryer. So we are going to have a Flakes crust today. So I literally just took some cornflakes, plain cornflakes, put them in a bag, and I crushed them. To show you how I crushed them, I just took a rolling pin, rolled over it a few times. Okay, and so I already have my chicken tenders soaking in buttermilk. I just bought the chicken tenders from the grocery store and I seasoned them with salt, pepper, and onion powder. And then I just soaked them with some buttermilk for about 3 hours to let them marinate. So they are ready. Our cornflake crust is ready. I also have a little flour here that I'm gonna put on it. And then I do need to make just a quick egg wash. Oh, that looks good already. The cornflakes kind of make it look like it's already fried. I'm just gonna take a little bit of olive oil spray and spray it on the inside. I'm just gonna layer these inside the air fryer. Keep going until I see the chicken symbol, chicken. So, just gonna hit start. 20 minutes, my chicken tenders should be done, but I will stop them at 10 minutes halfway through so that I can flip them over. So our chicken tenders are done. I have plated them up. I have put my nice warm honey mustard in here, and now all I have to do is taste test. They look really good. You can't even tell that they're not truly fried in oil. So that's the thing I love about the air fryer. It's healthy, it's just as tasty, they're nice and crispy. So good. Crispy, perfect, juicy. Let me know if you try this recipe at home. Hope you enjoy.